unboxing the new Nanoleaf Cherry Blossom lines. This is a special edition pack and is the perfect companion for the cherry blossom season. These cherry blossom lines come with the classic Nanoleaf features you know and love. Enjoy millions of colors, try out the rhythm music visualizer, and much more. Each kit comes with 4 cherry blossom lines, and they're compatible with your major smart home assistants. When you open the box, you'll find the quick start guide with your QR codes for pairing on the front, and helpful instructions for setting up your lines inside. Underneath your lines, you'll find your power supply unit, double-sided mounting tape, a controller cap attached to the power connector, and the line's processor. Each of your cherry blossom lines has their own unique cherry blossom pattern. If you want to get your own cherry blossom lines, you can get them in select countries exclusively at the Apple Store.